Hey there, ever wonder how your car stops so smoothly even during emergencies? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of the anti-lock braking system, or ABS for short. Let's get started. The anti-lock braking system is designed to prevent you from locking up your brakes. It works by releasing and then reapplying the brakes to car wheels in heavy braking situations. The anti-lock braking system control module is found in the engine compartment of most vehicles. A faulty anti-lock braking system will turn on the ABS warning light and brake system light. You may experience an unresponsive brake pedal. The brakes may get locked up. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the anti-lock braking system related error codes. Stop driving. If both your ABS light and brake system light come on, repair your vehicle immediately. To keep your ABS in top shape, regularly check your brake fluid levels and get your system inspected by a professional. And remember that ABS warning light on your dashboard. Don't ignore it. So there you have it, a quick guide to understanding your car's ABS. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.